Hello everybody, my name is Luis David Arreta Montiel, and today I am going to talk about the different culture of Sudan and the United States. Well, about the video between the culture of Sudan and the United States, we must take into account the drastically different cultures. The Sudan culture is totally different from that of the United States, starting with the Sudan being a country with my belief and practice and heavy diversity of the ethnic group that makes it unique and fantastic. As seen in the video, they are humble people that many have had to emigrate to different places, and the great courage that these young people had the venture into a foreign country like the United States in life there is extremely amazing. While in the United States people are more reserved and dreadful, in addiction you can see in the video where they say that everything is different and that people in the United States are non-friendly. And if visited to how the someone you don't know, they immediately call police. It's really hit me. Finally, comparing the culture Sudan with the United States, I think they are completely different countries. There are many social, cultural, economics, and eating habits. In addition, there are also differences in the ways of the greeting and interacting with the others.